Hello and welcome. Today we read Journeying Back in Time to explore a fascinating corner of Norwich's history, the water mills of the River Wensum, the special focus on the area we now know as New Mills Yard. For centuries, this spot was the humming heart of the city's industry, a place of constant change, power, and innovation. Our story begins over 1,000 years ago. Imagine this. It's the late Anglo-Saxon period, and the first mills are being built along the Wensum. These weren't just quaint little structures. They were vital pieces of infrastructure. The Doomsday Book of 1086 records several mills in Norwich, establishing a milling tradition that would last for centuries. These early mills, owned by powerful entities like the church or local lords, were primarily used for grinding corn into flour, a fundamental task that fed the growing city. The river's flow was the engine, turning massive wooden water wheels that powered the heavy millstones inside. Fast forward to the medieval period, and the area around what would become New Mills Yard was bustling. The mills were so important that they were fiercely protected. In fact, there were strict rules about who could build mills and where, to ensure the river's power wasn't overexploited. During this era, we see the rise of fulling mills, which were used to clean and thicken woolen cloth, a cornerstone of Norfolk's booming textile industry. The rhythmic thumping of the fulling stocks would have been a constant sound along the riverbank, a testament to Norwich's prosperity. The name New Mills itself tells a story of renewal and development. It's believed to have originated in the late 15th century, around 1480, when the old mills on the site were rebuilt or significantly upgraded. This wasn't just a simple repair job, it was a major investment, reflecting the city's confidence and ambition. These new mills were larger, more efficient, and capable of handling a greater volume of work. They were a symbol of Norwich's status as one of England's most important provincial cities. But the mills didn't just grind corn. As technology evolved, so did their purpose. By the 18th and 19th centuries, during the Industrial Revolution, the site had transformed again. While flour milling continued, other industries harnessed the river's power. We see the introduction of oilseed crushing, timber sawing, and even the early generation of electricity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more explorations into our amazing local history. See you next time.